I'm Dr. Claudio Bari, Principal Lecturer in the School of Engineering, University of Wolverhampton. We have invested £12 million in our equipment and facilities, which is dedicated for research and teaching. We have very strong link with the industry, companies all over the regions. We will have quick tour by some of our academics. Please enjoy.
I'm Dr. Ian Lyle, I'm one of the academics here. We're in the live project space here. This is where students get an opportunity to try out their skills, things that they've learned in the classroom they can put into practice. Here we've got one of our Morgan cars. We've normally got two that we're working on, not just here but also down at Morgan. And here we have our F3 car. This is driven by a professional driver, Shane Kelly, but also pit crewed by our own students, not just here but trackside for all the events throughout the season. In the corner here we've got our full wraparound simulator. Shane's our top driver on there, but our students do pretty well also. Here we also have our former student car. Again, this has just come back from the track. We did quite well this time, and you can see obviously it's very well sponsored, very well supported by industry. Next I'm going to show you the high value manufacturing hall where we make some of the components for these cars. This is our high value manufacturing hall. As you can see, this is industry standard equipment used by our students. This isn't just a workshop where we make parts. This is also teaching space. Here we can teach, show students how to do things, then straight away put it onto the machines. We also have other equipment in here, so an exciting space for students to work in. This is our additive manufacturing suite. Here you can see 3D printing machines, but in metal. Our students on their courses can design and 3D print parts like you can see here.
This is the Composite Lab, and this is our autoclave, which is run up to 400 degrees centigrade and pressure 27 bar. There are only 2 autoclaves in the UK, and this is one of them. We use our Composite Lab for manufacturing and designing components for aerospace and automotive application. Our workshop is our classroom. We use these tubes to build chassis for race cars.
So this is Metrology. This is where we do all the measurement. So everything that we've manufactured, we do in here. We can even see inside components with the CT scanner. So this is our large-scale wind tunnel. This is where we can test the aerodynamics, and it's mainly used by students on the aerospace degree. We also have a supersonic wind tunnel.
Hello, my name is Dr. Nader Anani. I am in charge of the electronics courses in the School of Engineering, and this is the lab where our first year students come to do their practical work on the fundamentals of electrical engineering. And now we are in the electrical engineering and renewable energy laboratories where students can attend this lab to do experiments on things like wind turbines, solar energy, generating electrical energy from the solar sun, also experiments on power electronics and electrical machineries. We also have another lab downstairs which is especially for mechatronics.
My name is Dr. Ahmed Barutaji. I am the course leader of the mechanical engineering here at the University of Wolverhampton. Now we are in the solid mechanics lab, which is used by our students to develop their practical knowledge in the area of strengths of material and design for solids. We have here a wide range of apparatus that we are using in our course. Now we are in the Thermofluid Lab, which is used by our students to carry out experimental work on heat transfer and fluid mechanics subjects. We have a wide range of apparatus in this lab here, including a small wind tunnel. This is a material testing lab which is used by our student, undergraduate, postgraduate and researcher to obtain the mechanical properties of different materials under different types of loading. It includes a wide range of equipment as well.
Hopefully you have enjoyed the tour, and hopefully we're going to see you as a student in our university.